Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video I'm sharing with you is after the big hail damage happened to our city and the community where I live. So the two walls were totally damaged, the railing and the back of the wall and the one side, which is I think the right side. Look at this, it was a really big damage. So we took the opportunity in the garage, we add the window and the door, so add more light. I'm really pleased with the result. If you have opportunity to do the renovation for extra light, I think everybody can add the window or the door in the garage. So the burgundy siding was before, and then I picked this very beautiful deep blue color. I'm really very happy with the color. We changed some window at the back. Actually, there is a big glass broken side window of the kitchen and the back, and adds a lot of pots light. And yeah, it cost me a lot actually, but I'm really pleased with the result. So add a very nice classy grayish beige color at the garage door and the main door and the pot lights all around the house, and add this backyard actually makeover. So I will show you in my another video. I'm really happy even with my deck because we actually complete the house look. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel and hit the like button, because I keep sharing my short video in my long video, the home renovation and the house chores. Happy